Hey guys, Tim and Shana from Punk Rope, and in today's video we're going to give you 4 reasons, maybe 5, why you might want to use a beaded rope. Shana is holding our new Fall, that's the name of it, beaded rope. It's got about 5-inch handles, and these are soft beads, which is a good thing so that if it hits you by chance it does not sting as much. There you go, nice and flexible. So, Shauna's on a cement surface actually, and that's going to be reason number 1. So, with a conventional PVC rope, they don't do very well on hard surfaces like asphalt or cement. Beaded ropes do much better. So Shauna's going to give us a few turns with this, just to give you an idea of how it looks. Holds its shape really well, and the asphalt or the cement doesn't beat it up very much, so that's one good reason. Number 2, although we're getting into spring now, we are in spring, day 1, if it were winter and if it was very cold, a PVC rope will freeze up and become very difficult to turn. It'll get distorted. A beaded rope will hold its shape. So if it's below, say, 45 degrees, and some of you may not want to be out there, but if you happen to be troopers and you're out there and it's chilly, 40, 35, etc., beaded rope is a really, really nice option. Reason number 3, you're a beginner, and with a traditional PVC rope or a cable rope, you're having difficulty with your timing. The rope is too fast. You're not able to get off the ground quickly enough. Now, if Shana jumps with this rope, you're going to notice that it is relatively slow. And that's partially because it has to cut through the air. It's not aerodynamically efficient the way a cable rope or a conventional PVC rope is. Those beads are hollow, the air has to pass through them, there's friction, and it slows it down. So for someone who's just getting started, really excellent choice to help with your timing and your rhythm. And number 4, sort of piggybacking on what we just said, it's going to require more effort because of the resistance. So as you're turning, you're going to find that it's a bit more challenging both cardiovascularly and muscularly, and therefore you're going to end up burning some additional calories. So that might be another reason to choose this rope. And do we have another reason? I think we talked about tricks. We're not going to do anything too crazy, but for some folks, because the beaded rope holds its shape really well, it can be a nice option for certain tricks. This is just a simple crisscross, but you could see it held the arc beautifully there. So there you go. Now you got 5 reasons to use a beaded rope. Plus it's really attractive. Guys, thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, jot them down in the comments below and we will answer them as quickly as we can.
I think it's good cross training too. So using our lighter rope many years, it's challenging to come back to this. So I had to kind of, you know, revisit some of the nuances of timing. So it could be good for an expert too.
Well, there you have it. Bunch of reasons to use a beaded rope. Guys, we'll see you next time.